digits and emojis. Yeah, honestly, I don't know what to tell you guys because I'm not paying attention to Discord right now. Thanks for the follow. Rock. Oh, I have hiccups. I should record these, actually. I'm sorry, guys. It's just that I know that people have a fetish for hiccups. So I'm recording my hiccups while I'm streaming so I can post them since I know that people like them. Ooh. Yeah, I like having hiccups. Oh, any more hiccups to come? Oh, that hiccup sounded so screechy. Little drunk hiccups, kitty cat drunk hiccups, mew, mew mew. When are these hiccups gonna go away? Oh my! Hiccups. So many for so long. Just so many hiccups. Oh my goodness, my hiccups just won't stop. Just for the OF. And I guess my Twitch too, since I'm streaming right now.